Now I want to talk about Russian toasts, how Russians say cheers and why it's serious business. Welcome, друзья! Привет, друзья! Hello, friends! Today's topic, how do Russians say cheers? What do they say during toasts? It's not just на здоровье. That's a myth. We don't use на здоровье. The real Russian toast word за здоровье. За здоровье. За здоровье. There is a difference. На здоровье is when you say thank you. За здоровье is a toast for health. Unlike other languages, Russian toasts are often more than one word. They're usually full little speeches or phrases, especially during important events. For example, raising a glass за здоровье to health. За здоровье to health. So let's talk about the most popular Russian toasts. Here are some of the most commonly used Russian toasts with explanations. За любовь, to love. За любовь, за любовь. Normally is used at weddings or among close friends. За любовь, to love. За друзей, to friends. За друзей, за друзей, за друзей. Great in informal settings with good company. За друзей. За удачу. To luck. За удачу. За удачу. За удачу. When people are starting something new. Business, journey, new year. За удачу. За родителей. За родителей. За родителей. За родителей. To parents. За родителей. Common at family gatherings. За родителей. The longer storytelling toasts at bigger events like weddings or birthdays. Russians often say longer toasts that sound almost like little speeches or jokes before actually saying cheers. For example, желаю вам здоровья, счастья, удачи, чтобы мечты сбывались и чтобы всегда был повод поднять бокал. I wish you health, happiness, luck for your dreams to come true and to always have a reason to raise your glass. So what to do after the toast? Russians usually make eye contact when clinking glasses. After saying the toast, everyone says, hooray, hurrah, hurrah, or simply drinks. Sometimes there is no clinking, especially at very formal events, but most gatherings involve it. So there are common toast myths. The first one, Russians always say на здоровье as a toast. That's more common in Polish. In Russian, на здоровье is said as a response to thank you after a meal, not as a toast. We say за здоровье. За здоровье. Also, there are some humorous toasts that actually we do use. За тех, кто в море. To those at sea. За тех, кто в море. Чтобы все было, и нам за это ничего не было. Чтобы все было, и нам за это ничего не было. So that everything's good and we don't get in trouble for it. За мир во всем мире. За мир во всем мире. To peace in the whole world. So how to practice your first Russian toast? Step 1. Pick one short phrase like «За здоровье». Raise your glass confidently. Step 3. Look your friends in the eye. Step 4. Speak clearly, then drink. За здоровье. Now you're ready to toast like a true Russian. Which toast would you use first? Write in the comments below. Also write the comments if you have any questions or if you want me to talk about any topic in Russian language. До свидания. Пока-пока. За ваше здоровье.